Hi guys, welcome back. This is my lovely cat. So right now I don't know what happened to him. So you can see at the hand also like a balloon. I don't know why. I can touch here. I cannot touch here. Very sick. Like broken, but it's not broken. I can touch. You can see I touch. So you can see. So very problem at the hand. Maybe he get some bite with another outside cat. You can see. You can see. You can see the food. I don't know why. So I put just oil. I put the French oil here. Okay, thank you very much guys. Bye bye.